Grabe na long. Kasi Junlali na enter. Yeah. Ayun lang, so ipupush ko na lang yung Ivana. Kasi siya naman yung leading lady mo. Leading lady, right? Si Ivana. So, nagkaroon ba kayo, aside from professional si Ivana, pero syempre, maganda din siya at sexy. Nagkaroon ka ba ng somehow, na-attract ka ba kay Ivana?
Alam mo, si Ivana, syempre, she's, we all know she's attractive.
Yes.
So, but ako kasi, like, I'm very professional also. Like, I don't want to mix anything with work and, si Ivana talagang parang tropa, parang kaibigan.
Okay.
So, and, yeah, we all know she's attractive and I think, yun.
Pero nagkaroon kayo ng chance na magkakilala pa ng nakilala mo siya ng mas malalim pa kesa parang nakikilala siya ng marami.
Yeah, when you work with someone on a film and you're constantly working with them and everything, mas nakikilala mo yung tao. Mas nakikilala mo kung sino sila, paano sila magtrabaho, paano sila sa mga crew, sa mga co-actors nila. And wala akong masasabing masama talaga kay Ivana. She's very nice to everyone. She works hard. May mga times na natapos kami 4 a.m., 5 a.m., dugyot kami. So, makikita mo talaga hindi siya nagre-reklamo and, she's giving her best in every scene. So, that also sets a good example for the younger actors na kasama namin. Kasi marami kami kasama ng mga young actors also who's probably, looking at us. When the times are getting hard, when it's 4 a.m. and you still have to do a fight scene, these young actors are probably looking at us like, magre-reklamo ba sila? Ano ba yung gano'n? And wala akong maririnig na reklamo, everyone stayed on course, everybody's professional, so, hats off to Ivana for that.
Pero yun nga, how was it working with the young actors?
It's good. It's good to be working with the young actors. I had many scenes with Dustin and Matt, and you can really see they're willing to learn. They're willing to be better as actors, and they ask questions. They're curious, but at the same time, we're also having fun. As I said, we have a light set. I think na naging okay yung working environment namin. I could see Dustin, arriving on set sometimes walang tulog and, sometimes coming from another shoot and all that. And, I just give him a few words of inspiration. Kaya yan, bata ka pa, kaya mo pa yan. I could remember my time at his age as well, na ganun din tulog and all that. And it's really part of it. It's really part of this job, part of the industry, and I'm here to just maybe give a few words of wisdom, inspiration, and to those young actors.
And thank you, last na lang, Chard. Sa family mo, sino yung unang gusto mong tapunin sa December 25?
Gusto kong
matakot while watching.
Gusto kong takutin?
Yes. Your mom?
Well, yung nanay ko sigurado hindi na matatakot yan.
Okay. Because?
Siguro I want to bring my kids. I want to bring my kids to watch a Pinoy horror film. Diba? Kasi I'm not sure if they've seen a Pinoy horror film. And, I think Shake, Rattle, and Roll, diba? Kumbaga, household name yan sa horror films natin dito sa Pilipinas. And gusto kong makita ng mga kids ko, yung Shake, Rattle, and Roll.
Pero ikaw ba personally, matatakot ka dito sa episode?
Are you the type?
Oo, yung gano'n. Kasi syempre,
alam mo ako, there was a time na natatakot ako sa horror films. But when I started doing horror films, parang parang iniisip ko, paano ba nila ginawa?
Ayun.
Paano nila ginawa? Pero syempre, nandiyan pa rin yung mga eksenang talaga nakakatakot na, di ba, yung parang pag inisip mo nangyari sa'yo, mag-isa ka lang sa kwarto or what, di ba, matatakot ka pa rin. So syempre, nandiyan pa rin yung kaba, nandiyan pa rin yung takot, especially sa mga horror films.
Pero sa shooting, wala kang mga experience ba? ng mga horror experience like
While filming
While
the
filming.
episode, parang wala naman. Well, minsan namamatay mga ilaw.
ayun lang.
Ganun, pero
Kasi sabi nila pag
iniisip na lang namin na napatid lang yung ano man. Pero kina-off na pala ng Isusen.
kasi over na. Thank
Yeah,
you.
but wala namang kaming extreme na experience while filming this.
Okay, thank you.
Don, ilang taon ka extra na Abante? Babalik ako talaga.
Yung relationship ni Ivana while filming Shake Rattle, yung episode niyo.
Working with Ivana, it's been great working with Ivana. She's very down to earth. She's nice and very professional on set. Yeah. So okay naman, okay yung working relationship namin.
So kung sa yung naging dynamics mo sa mga action and mga katatakot mga eksena ninyo sa episode?
You know, the good thing with Ivana is she really wants to give her best in every scene as well. Pareho kami. Kasi ganoon din ako parang hindi ako nakokontento. Kunwari pag may na-feel ako na eksena, prove. Be sa director ko or sa assistant director, and she's the same. Parang she always wants to give her best. She's challenging herself to be better. And napansin ko yun sa mga action scenes din niya, halos hindi siya nagpapadouble, gusto niya siya yung gagawa. So talagang tumrabaho din yung action scenes and yung character.
Doon sa mga ginawa mong action scenes dito, Charlie, ano yung mga bagong challenges na hinarap mo? Yung mga ipinagawa sa iyo ni Wilfred?
Well, dito kasi yung like what I said kanina, action scenes namin dito is more of like survival. It's always rushing, it's always escaping. Laging may mga kalaban na hindi namin kayang talunin. So, iba yung atake ko dito ng action, hindi siya yung military style or superhero style na tactical, or it's more raw yung action scenes namin dito. So, iniba namin ng konti yung atake. Yung atake ko as my character, even the camera works are different, and we try to really make it different from Incognito or Ironheart. So, dito talaga makikita nyo medyo survival. Kinakabahan, natatakot, ganun yung vibe.
Buhay din ba, Char? Wala bang mga nangyaring accidents or untoward accident?
Alam mo, pag gumagawa ng action scenes, hindi natin naiwasan yung mga konting galos, konting bruises, mga pasa, ganyan. Pero normal naman yun sa akin. Thank God, wala nangyaring anything more than that. So we're very thankful. When you're doing action scenes, you have to be prepared for things to go, a little bit rough. Pero wala naman kaming na-encounter major incidents.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Sabi nga, magdadadline.
Yung project, yung role, parang dami dito. Tsaka nung abangan namin sa iyo this 20 years.
Yeah, alam mo, pinanood ko lang yung Frankenstein noong isang araw, and I was like, oh my goodness, we have a lot of work to do. I mean, I have so many dream projects, at dami ko pang, may mga director pa akong gusto makatrabaho, may mga projects akong gusto gawin. Marami. I mean, I think it's the beautiful thing about being an actor, it's a never-ending parang learning. You're always a student and you're always evolving. You always want to be creative. When you're a creative, it's constant evolution. So, nandun ako ngayon. Like, I want to do so many more. I want to give so much more. And I want to work with good directors. I want to work with great actors and actors that I haven't worked with. Dami pa. So yeah, I have so much to look forward to. And in 2026. I'll be doing another teleserye for ABS-CBN, and we're actually in the planning stage now. So yeah, after this Shake, Rattle and Roll, I'll be resting for a bit, and then I'll be starting a new project again for ABS-CBN, and also another film for Riva.
For a bit niya, 2 weeks lang. Ano ba? Alin na kasi?
Sorry.
Thank you, Miss Alvin. Siyempre.